The Fridamilie air fryer cheat sheet set is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It includes 2 magnetic sheets. One sheet is big, and one is small. These sheets stick right to your fridge. They give you quick cooking times and temperatures. This Fridamilie air fryer cheat sheet set covers over 90 popular foods. You can find info for vegetables and chicken. There is also info for fish and frozen foods. Using the Fridamilie air fryer cheat sheet set is easy. You won't need to guess cooking times. The magnets show you exactly what to do. This saves you time when making brunch or dinner. The information is easy to understand. Even an 8th grade student can use it. The Fridamilie air fryer cheat sheet set helps you cook food perfectly. You will get crispy results without residue. This set is a great kitchen accessory. It's very useful for anyone with an air fryer. The Fridamilie air fryer cheat sheet set makes cooking simpler. It's like having a quick reference guide. This guide helps you make tasty meals every time. It can even make your wife happy with perfectly cooked fish. The manufacturer designed it for easy use. And it's durable for year-round cooking. Pros: saves cooking time. Magnetic cheat sheets included. Quick reference for times, over 90 popular foods listed. Easy to find cooking info. Good for air fryer users. Helpful kitchen accessory. Useful for cooking. Frying cons: 2 pieces to clean. Magnetic sheet can get lost. Sheet might not list all foods. Cooking times are just a guide. Metal baskets can get hot. Food placement is important. Potential for uneven cooking. Basket size might be limiting features. Oven use too. Cooking times. Magnetic sheet. Cheat sheet set. Quick reference. Over 90 foods. Accessory kit. For cooking. Also for frying, this Fridamilie set has 2 air fryer baskets that can also be used in your oven. It comes with a helpful magnetic cheat sheet. This sheet gives you quick cooking times for over 90 common foods you might cook or fry in your air fryer. It's a useful kitchen tool to make cooking easier. This Fridamilie set has 2 metal baskets for your air fryer that can be washed easily. It also comes with magnetic sheets that stick to your fridge. These sheets have cooking times for over 90 common foods, so you can quickly find out how long to cook things. This can save you time when you are cooking. However, the magnetic sheet might get lost and might not have all the foods you want to cook. Remember that the times are just a guide. The metal baskets can get hot, and how you put the food in the basket can change how evenly it cooks. Also, the size of the baskets might limit how much food you can cook at once.